Hello friends, today we read about animals. Unit number 5, Animals. What are animals? Animals are living things. They can move, eat, and grow. Example: cat, dog, bird. Land animals. Land animals live on land. They walk or run. Examples: lion, elephant, dog. Water animals. Water animals live in water. They swim. Examples: fish, whale, dolphin. Flying animals. Flying animals can fly in the air. They have wings. Examples: bird, parrot, eagle. Domestic animals. Domestic animals live with us. They help us. Examples: cow, goat, dog, cat. Wild animals. Wild animals live in forests. They are not pets. Examples: lion, tiger, bear. They live in jungle. Thanks for watching.